Hello, my name is Kelly Clark, and this is the completion timeline for my program. I have a quote on here that says, "A goal without a timeline is just a dream." As I was reflecting back, when I kind of was interested in education, I would say I'd have to go all the way back to 1989, probably in my early grade school years. I spent hours playing school down in my basement with my stuffed animals, reading to them and doing activities, pretending like I was the teacher. And then in 1997, my high school English teacher paired me up with a grade school teacher, and I was able to work with the grade school students that year, kind of during my English class, and do some projects with them. And that was just confirmation that teaching is what I was going to do after high school. And then in 2003, I graduated from Fort Hays State University with my degree in elementary education. My career started in Dodge City at USD 443. I was teaching 6th grade there. Was there for a year, and then my husband and we moved south of Fowler, and I took a job at Mineola. I was there from 2004 to 2009. I taught 6th through 8th grade ELA and science, did several different coaching jobs there. I was the junior high volleyball, basketball, track coach, was the assistant in the beginning, and then I took the head junior high volleyball and the head track position there, and also did a little bit of high school girls volleyball, the assistant position there. Then in 2009, I took a job at Fowler and was there until 2015. I taught 4th through 7th grade ELA. Again, had various coaching jobs there, junior high volleyball, basketball, track. Also was the high school assistant girls basketball coach. And then in 2015, I took a job at Copeland at USD 476, and I am teaching 6th through 8th grade ELA, and again have had various coaching positions, junior high volleyball, basketball, as a cheerleading sponsor, Stuco sponsor, 8th grade sponsor. In 2016 is when I took the lead teacher position and then the accreditation chair. I took over that year, and so that was kind of my first dabble in a leadership role. And with a lot of encouragement from my administration and my husband, I decided to go ahead and enroll in grad school and began working on my e-portfolio. And then in 2023 is when I hope to be in an administrative position, and probably will stay in an administrative position, I would think or hope, until I retire, and I hope to retire in 2035. Looking at my course timeline, I began my program by taking Intro to School Administration, School Law, and Supervision and Evaluation of Personnel. Then moved into the next year, 2021, where I planned to take School and Community Communications, Special Education for School Leaders, Educational Research, Educational Leadership, and Data and Analysis, as well as Curriculum Planning and Evaluation. And then in 2022, I plan to take Cultural Diversity, Educational Finance, and then the summer of 2022, I hope to be taking my practicum and completing my e-portfolio. So those are my plans as I move through the program here, and what some of my goals are as I'm moving forward. Thank you so much for listening.